Machinists Inc., we've been working with the AJAC program for 10 or 11 years now, and we've seen the program evolve to meet our needs and really change with how the industry is advancing from a technology standpoint and a skills standpoint, and our employees have seen a huge benefit, and we've seen a huge benefit from such a long partnership. I think the variety and the different levels of training that AJAC has allows us to really plug our folks into an area of expertise that they may be lacking in, or that we feel can be developed to get them to that next level.
What the training did for me was help push me forward in career path and show me that there's a lot of opportunity in this business. It did help open doors for me here, so I think it helped move me along a little bit quicker.
My journey with AJAC started back in 2011. I was kind of an entry-level worker here at Machinists Incorporated, had been so for almost 2 years about, and the opportunity came along to expand my skill set with a journeyman certification for aerospace machinist. My boss at the time thought I would be a good fit for the program and encouraged me to apply. So I did, and I spent the next 4 years going to class once a week at night and doing my job here at Machinists Incorporated during the day. Loved it. It was a fantastic opportunity to see how classroom instruction could be applied to a real-life work setting.
Through AJAC, they told us we could gain better employment opportunities, higher income. I know as far as my employer being here at Machinists, they were willing to work around it, and they actually compensated us for the time we were at school. So we weren't losing any income, which was very nice.
And it feels great to be able to, really help somebody advance their career here at Machinist Inc. And, we have folks that started on the shop floor, putting parts together, doing assembly, being able to move up into a machinist role, being able to move into a lead position. AJAC has really helped them build the foundation to advance their career and get to some of those stages. And so it's just it feels great to be able to see some of the employees advance their careers and grow.
So overall, it was a fantastic experience for me, and I would recommend it for anyone who's got their heart in manufacturing or wants to learn more about metal forming and cutting.